guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a kind of like tech time type video. So today's video I will be talking about this behind me, and this is my green screen that I've made DIY thanks to mukbang and things, because y'all already know my last video. I already told y'all. So this is basically a blue and a green. I'm just let y'all so y'all can see. Blue and green. I mean, I gotta take this down now, but because the girl messing with it. But a blue and a green tablecloth, the plastic ones that you get from Dollar Tree, any 99-cent store basically. You get you one. I taped mine to the wall. I gotta add some tape down to the bottom and make sure I can smooth out, these little creases. But for the most part, that's what I did. And I taped it to the wall, of course. How you would change this to make it into a background, what you would do is you make your video like I'm doing now, making my video however long I want to make it to be. And then before you put your video out, you go ahead and put your intro first, and then you add however long the background that you want to be is the length of the video that you made. You put that down first. And then you add all the stuff like the in card, the stuff like that. You add that all in. Or you can just do it step by step, whatever floats your boat. Then you pick out whatever background you want it to be. The background that I'm going to choose for this video, for the sake of this video, is probably just some hearts background or whatever. You screenshot or download your background that you want. Once you found a nice one, good consistency to cover your whole thing, you're good to go. You go into iMovie, of course, because I do iMovie. Everything I do is from my phone. So, yeah, I'm learning right with me. So, okay, I go into iMovie. I pick my heart background that I want. And I'll put it in and show y'all step by step. So, this is going to conclude this part of this video. I'm going to take y'all along with how I choose my background. And then I'm going to show y'all how I insert it into my video. And then that's just going to be the end of this video. So hopefully y'all stay tuned and watch all the way to the end. And until next time, we are out of here. Peace.
me, I can have it, cause I get it myself.